Hello, today's video is a bit of an update video as I haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks due to lack of time, and it was my mum's birthday, plus the terrible weather here in the UK. Anyway, last week the Westwood decided to break itself and wouldn't start or turn over, which we thought was an electrical problem. So we started to have a look at it yesterday and it's decided to fix itself. Our biggest challenge with projects at the moment is space. As you can see, there isn't too much of it. Where I'm standing now, we had to take something out to get here, and we've used quite a few tractors as shelves for just tools, spare parts and anything else lying around. There's my Westwoods here kind of blocking anything coming this way. The HT23 with the deck on it's a big space taker, mainly the deck. Then at the back, if you can see them, there's the blue 1054, the Estate Keeper 7, and right in the corner there's the HT20, which seems to be home to a swivel chair. First, we're going to have a bit of a clear up of this area. Ignore the fact that Rudolph's nose has fallen off. No sneak peeks, this is for another video. We've fully uncovered these 5 tractors now. We're going to pull the 600 out and then start clearing the back of the workshop. Now you can kind of see the back of the Estate Keeper. We're now going to tackle this area, which has quite a lot of 600 parts, a box for the 900 and a big box of parts for another tractor. We've had a good day clearing out the workshop. We've completely cleared the bench. All of the tractors have nothing on now, except for the HT20, which is still home to a swivel chair. We've found many new parts for upcoming projects and old parts, some of which were stuck to these magnetic dishes which were scattered around the workshop. And we have quite a few more than we thought we did. and this isn't all of them. But anyway, that's going to be it for this weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Finally, Rudolph's nose hasn't fallen off again. Seriously? Stay. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!